Guys, so this printer kind of printing the same with the other filament. It just finished, so it's still a little warm. Now I need to make sure that I've got the right file and grab the other file and print it after I check this one and make sure. You see there's a little bit of black in here. That's because there's residual crap on the print head probably. So if we looked underneath here, yeah, pretty nasty. So we need to get that off of there. So I wanted to make sure and just check, but yeah, everything looks good. So now I got to print the other side, which would be one of these, and then 2 rails. So they go in here, temp, PETG. I don't know what I printed that one at. Maybe too hot. Let's go here. When you go to print, let me see if we can find the other file. So it should be this one. The problem is that I've had done so many iterations of this thing that we end up with an issue where I just had to like delete a lot of files off of here and just kind of see which one was most likely the correct one. This could be wrong. So what it'll end up being, if it's wrong, it'll be one that has the spacing incorrect. I've had to make a lot of prototypes and different ones, a couple of other failed prints, so you know, it's okay. Some of these, they were just too far apart, and I found with the other one, I'm trying to think what I did with it, I was able to get it to work. Where is it? Where did it go? So I have another one of these that I put together somewhere. Okay, so on this one right here, I didn't drill them out. As you can see, there's a little swelling on that, so you don't want to use these type of screws. But it's just for mocking it up. And so you won't be able to see an issue there, just right here. This is in the bottom part, but what I need is like a flathead type of screw. That way it doesn't have to be drilled. Something like these. Uh-oh. And I'm not sure where the cheapest place to get something like that would be, but you definitely don't want to use these. They look okay, you know, but I don't like them. So, wow, this thing is so damn fast. Look at this. It is already off and running. This is not like screwing around with an Ender 3. I mean, it just really, it just gets it. I don't know, man. This has been the best printer I've ever bought. It was expensive. Not super expensive, but it was expensive. Let's see, make sure we're printing the right one. Yep, so that's the mirror image of that. You should be able to look here and see really quick. What's the spacing look like? Looks pretty even right there. Maybe a little close. I'm not, can't see the other part. Looks normal. So there you go, guys. So I'll let you know when it's done. And it's doing this noise again. And originally there was some play in here and I tightened it up, but now I hear it again. So last time it was one of those, and I have had a couple of issues with the layer shift, where it would shift like right about here, where you can see that difference in line. So hopefully it doesn't do that again.